This video will demonstrate how to protect a flange from corrosion and moisture ingress using Belzona 3412. First, thoroughly abrade the surface where Belzona 3412 will be bonded using abrasive paper for painted surfaces or a wire brush for steel. This creates a good mechanical key for the membrane. Apply masking tape to the prepared bond areas. Then use Belzona 9431 instant bridging tape or an equivalent plastic back tape to seal the gap between the flange faces. This system uses Belzona 8411, a corrosion-inhibiting wax with release properties to provide corrosion protection whilst allowing access to bolts and flanges in the event of required maintenance. Brush or spray apply the Belzona 8411 onto the flange, pipe, and fastenings, ensuring coverage is even and complete. Once the Belzona 8411 is touch dry, remove the masking tape and fit plastic caps over the nuts and bolts. Belzona 3412 should be applied as a two-coat system and is available in two contrasting colors, gray and orange, to ensure complete uniform coverage. To mix Belzona 3412, empty the entire contents of the base container into the provided mixing bowl. Pour the contents of the solidifier over the base and mix immediately until a uniform color and consistency has been achieved. For spray application, load the mixed product into the cartridge gun in accordance with the equipment instructions. Apply the first coat at a target thickness of 600 microns, extending the product 1.5 to 2 inches beyond the Belzona 8411 onto the prepared bond area. Whilst the first coat is still wet, bed strips of Belzona 9311 reinforcing sheet into the Belzona 3412 around the flange circumference and at both ends of the repair where it bonds to the pipe to provide additional strength. Ensure the strip around the flange sits within the outer edge and does not have contact with the bolting faces. Remove the masking tape. Wait until the first coat is touch dry, then reapply the tape to ensure a neat application. Then mix the second coat of Belzona 3412 using the same procedure as the first. Its high visibility orange color makes repairs easily identifiable. Apply the second coat to the same thickness. This will fully encapsulate the Belzona 9311 reinforcing sheet into the repair. Belzona 3412 can also be brush applied at the same target thickness. Brush the material onto the flange, pipe, and fastenings, ensuring even uniform coverage. Add the Belzona 9311 reinforcing sheet using the same process. Then, once touch dry, brush apply the second coat. If maintenance is required, use a sharp knife to cut through the Belzona 3412 in the gap between the flange faces, working around the full circumference of the flange. Peel back the Belzona 3412 along with the bolt caps to expose the bolts and flanges. Once maintenance or inspection is complete, fold the material back into position. Clean and degrease around the flange circumference if necessary. Then use Belzona 3412 and Belzona 9311 to reinstate and reseal the repair. Fully encapsulated with Belzona 3412, the flange is now protected against galvanic corrosion, atmospheric corrosion, and moisture ingress.